This man's already covered the same ground we're going to do now, but this is a revenge ballad for 30 years of coming last in the new ballad competition.
Glad job.
It really was, like, but it was hard. At these old gatherings for years, well, it always made me weary. For to hear them old boys sing, them big ballads long and dreary. But me mother said, son, sing, and nothing would placate her. And then it's down to the flack, old adjudicator. Well, I practiced hard for days, songs of love and of Napoleon. Learned not the single was asked 3 times. I the old false start, the loud coughing. I could catch the 40s, for the stop that old diddly-dee, none braver. And then it's down to the flack, old adjudicator. And for man and I for years we'd been plagued by Paddy Tunney. And Frank Hart in Dublin town would only sing for the big money. But there's none of them I feared, none of them I favoured, until I was betrayed by a Free State adjudicator. He said me Ulster style was wrong, and me choice of song was shocking, and me ornamentation nil. Boys, I was going to clock 'em. Me song had been sung by the Fenian man, by that bar John Riley later. You got that from Christy Moore, says as Free State adjudicator. Well, the parish priest sung next, and I saw me chances fading. The adjudicator smiled, the green and the brown scapulars around them trailing. And I dropped me will carry out the bottle of Buckfast, I did breaker. The pioneer pen began to glow on the lapel of that adjudicator. Up to Dublin he'd been sent for 2 days intensive training. By a McMahon pints, the old certificate again. He thought Sean Nose was a boy who would join the session later. From Monkstown he emerged an expert adjudicator. When Ireland set free by young men and women brave and daring, and Belfast will host at last the flaky old Mulheron. All informers will be shot, every rogue and every traitor, and a last song we'll request from all Free State adjudicators. Thank you.